Welcome everyone, Alessandro here. We are going to buy together PEPE meme coins. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to buy PEPE on Bybit. You can of course also purchase it on every exchange that you want. All supported exchanges you're gonna find here in the video description. Those are the exchanges that I'm using to buy cryptos, and PEPE of course are available on all of them. Choose the one that you like, for example Maxi Global, Bybit and so on. Everywhere you get some nice deposit bonuses with my links if you want, for example, to create a new Bybit account. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to invest and buy into PEPE meme coin. Of course, no financial advice, high risk. Whatever cryptos that you're buying, always high risk involved, but I'm gonna show you how to do that. And of course also we're gonna distribute those PEPE meme coins to our lucky winner from our giveaway here on this channel. So make sure to be subscribed. We have almost 200 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much for your great support. As soon as we reach 500 subscribers, we are going to do the next giveaway of $100, and those of course worth and converted into meme coins. So I'm always going to buy meme coins worth $100 and then distribute it to you guys, to the community. And therefore make sure to be subscribed here, because as soon as we reach the milestone of 500 subscribers, we're gonna do the next giveaway. Unfortunately, those giveaways takes more time than I have expected, because YouTube is canceling or censoring basically all numbers here in the comment section. So I cannot request basically the UID from the exchange to transfer you directly the money. We have to do it manually, and unfortunately there are also a lot of scammers that are trying to win basically the prize or the giveaway, and are contact me over on Telegram claiming basically to be the lucky winner. And unfortunately those scammers often are then immediately deleting the chat once I spot them, because it is very easy and simple how to spot the real winner. So remember guys, on every giveaway that we do here, always comment in the comment section whatever you want, and on that giveaway video I always select randomly a lucky winner. And this time, thank you very much for all your comments guys, this time the lucky winner was here, Massimo, so ADC 1370, this user, and I have written here, congrats, you are the winner, blah blah blah. Contact me here on Telegram. And many contacted me of course claiming to be the user, the winner basically. And on Telegram I will ask you then to change the comment on the video that you did in order to see that it's really you the winner. And also I'm gonna do a custom comment in order that I can verify that it's actually you. So after the winner did it, so congratulations. Massimo is the name of the user if I'm not wrong. Here I don't know if that is your real name, but anyway you have won, and also you contacted me successfully. So let me quickly go back down into the comment section. So thank you again very much for all your comments guys, and just make sure to be again part of it in the next giveaway. Probably all of you can win. Important is that you are of course always subscribed here and always be part of this channel, because I update you every day what is going on here in the crypto space. And of course also I'm gonna distribute the giveaways with every 500 subscribers or 1000 subscribers and so on. The first time it was with 100 subscribers. It is possible also that afterwards, if everything goes well, I'm gonna do with every 100 subscribers again. We will see, but we definitely are going to keep those giveaways here in this channel guys. That's why also make sure to be subscribed on the other channels, on X, on Telegram, TikTok and so on. All links to all social media platforms in the video description. Always keep track with the giveaways that we are doing, and of course with trading signals and other type of stuff here in the crypto space. Everything, no financial advice guys, just my own opinion. Everything we are doing here just for fun, to live our dream here basically in the crypto space. And now I'm gonna show you how to basically purchase PEPE meme coins on Bybit, and also I'm gonna distribute to the lucky winner, this one over here, the $100 or the PEPE meme coins worth of $100. And here after that you changed the comment successfully as it's written here, I have confirmed it. And yeah, basically congratulations to you, and this is the Bybit UID that we're gonna need then to distribute that giveaway. So after you signed up to Bybit, use the link in the video description. You can of course also sign up to Maxi Global, to Femex. We have many exchanges where we can trade cryptos. The best is always to distribute your money and split your money into different exchanges. Never use only one exchange, because like that you have the risk to put all your money into one place, and if that exchange get the bankruptcy of something, then all your money is gone. That's why it's high risk always, but that's why it is important to also be diversified, not only with the coins but also with the exchanges itself. And I am currently buying PEPE and also give it away, because I think the real altcoin season still has to come. I'm not sure what is going on with the camera, guys, but I look very, very funny. Anyway, the altcoin season, in my opinion, still has to come, because as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance since weeks and months is only going up, and at some point we must see also a big decline here in the Bitcoin dominance, and this will, in my opinion, then signal a very, very big altcoin season. That's why I'm preparing also for that scenario. That's why I'm also buying into new coins, especially PEPE meme coins, new PEPE meme coins, and the original PEPE meme coin, because so far it has been a very good performer. As you can see, also this line here, I have drawn it since many weeks ago, basically since we were down here, because we got buy signals on my weekly time frame here, on my indicators here on the weekly time frame. We got those buy signals confirmed, and since then we are basically pumping like crazy. At some point, yes, a correction is possible, but it looks like that PEPE wants to go higher and higher. No financial advice, guys. You see how those meme coins are moving. They're moving always in waves, and sometimes we see those big spikes, and that's why you want to be in those spikes before the big pump happens and not afterwards. That's why I'm buying. You can do whatever you want. It's high risk. Don't copy me, but this is what I'm doing, guys. And PEPE, I'm going to buy now at market prices, $100 now worth of PEPE meme coins. And if you also want to do that, you don't have to copy me. I just show you how to do that. Sign up to whatever exchange that you like here in the video description. Bybit needs KYC. If you don't want to do KYC, there are other exchanges that you find here without KYC, but otherwise sign up to Bybit, and then of course you can, for example, use your credit card or transfer some USDT stable coins here to invest basically into whatever coin that you want. And once you have stable coins, or once you have I don't know, USDT, USDC, or Ethereum, or Bitcoin, or whatever, you can of course convert them directly here on Bybit into whatever crypto that you want. Now I'm using USDTs, so I'm using the stable coin Tether in order to buy into PEPE. The only thing that you have to do, once you have here some money deposited, basically you go here to trade, and then you go to spot trading, not futures trading, options and so on, just spot trading. And then you click any coin here, like Bitcoin for example, and then you end up here on the dashboard, where you basically can see the chart, the order book, and here the trade options that you have to buy or sell this crypto. And we don't want to buy Bitcoin now, we want to buy PEPE. So we just go here with the mouse and put in here the coin that we would like to buy. And in our case, it is PEPE. So you just click on this one, PEPE USDT pair. If you, for example, want to exchange it with Euro or USDC, then you have to click on the other ones. But otherwise, click here, PEPE USDT, to buy with stable coins. And now we are going to buy. You can see here the chart looking bullish. This is the 30-minute time frame. And here you can basically put the buy order. We can go with a limit order. That means I can set the price, or just click here market, so it will execute at the best price here basically. And then we are ready to go. I have here $100. This is the giveaway price, guys. And I'm gonna buy full $100. This will give us around 7.5 million PEPE coins. So this is perfectly. Let's click here buy. Then there will be a window. It is asking me if I really want to buy or no. I click now yes to buy market, and you can see that my order got immediately filled since I opened up a market order. Also here, if you go to order history, you can then see here the PEPE coins that we just bought. And now they are here in my wallet. Let's go here into my wallet of Bybit. Of course, also Bybit I'm using to do leverage trading, to get here those passive income here, thanks to these earn products that they have here for Bitcoin, for example, and other coins is also what I'm using here. Basically, in most of the exchanges, I'm taking advantage of that. And now I think my PEPE tokens should be here on unified trading. And in order to withdraw them, I have to transfer those PEPE coins now to my funding wallet, because this is the ones that I'm trading, and the funding are basically like my holdings. When I want to deposit or withdrawal, then I have to put it here into the funding account within Bybit. Transfer all of them, confirm. Let's wait until I gonna transfer it over there. Yes, now I should be seeing them here in my funding account. You know how it is very easy and simple. Also, if you want to earn passive income with PEPE, you can, for example, here go earn, and then you can put your PEPE basically here into the flexible staking mechanism here, and then you're basically getting 0.8% API for that. So that's quite cool as well. This is also what I'm doing often, but this time we are going now to distribute the giveaway, of course, with my PEPE coins. So here I'm going to click internal transfer. If you want to transfer to whatever wallet, you can of course also use here wallets. Otherwise, here internal transfer to an email address, mobile number, or UID. In our case here, it's the UID from the lucky winner. So let's copy here the text and click here PEPE. So I'm going to distribute now those PEPE coins to this UID. No records yet, but that's normal. Never sent to any UID. I hope it is working. It should be working. Internal transfer UID, and then select all. So the transaction is going to be free of charge. Since it's an internal transfer, you never pay any fees. And now I'm going to transfer those 7.5 million PEPE coins worth $100 to the lucky winner. Let's click here confirm. Let's click here submit. I probably have to also verify here with some codes. So wait a second, guys. First you have to click here send verification code. Now we have to wait for the email, and then we also have to put in the Google two-factor code as well. That is very, very important, guys, that you have that for your own safety. You see how this is working. Then you put here your Google two-factor authenticator code as well, and then we are ready to go. Next step, withdraw application submitted, recommended security, blah blah blah. Okay, confirm. Now it's done. Now my PEPE coins has been transferred successfully to the new user, to the lucky winner. So congratulations, Massimo. You just have won PEPE coins worth $100. Congratulations to you. And you see how easy it is to buy and sell here on Bybit. And of course, also good luck with your PEPE meme coins. And hopefully, of course, they will be worth much more one day. So guys, I hope you like this little tutorial video, and congratulations, of course, to the lucky winner. Be subscribed here because we're gonna do the next giveaway exactly the same way. And don't try, for all the scammers out there, don't try to fake an account or something that you won and try to get that identity from the lucky winner, because there is a very easy way how to spot if you are the real winner or not. I just have to tell you like a custom text that you have to put and edit your comment that you won basically here on YouTube. And if you're not able to do that, that means that you're not the real winner. So very easy and simple, guys. That's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel and be part of future giveaways. We are here to trade safely, and of course also to do nice giveaways here in the crypto community, since crypto is the future, guys. And I'm living basically out of cryptos, and that's why I want to share also everything that I know and that I can do here in the crypto space with you. And that's why also we're going to do giveaways. So congratulations to the winner. The next one will be once we reach 500 subscribers. So make sure to share the video with all your friends, spread the voice, share the video with everyone, because I'm doing daily TA, and also not only Bitcoin I'm covering also the top-notch meme coins, altcoins, and so on. And of course also if you need any kind of cryptos or crypto platforms, you can find them here in the video description, as well as new upcoming crypto projects that I'm buying right now, like Solexi that is launching in 6 days, or the new Bitcoin Bull meme coin that is launching in 19 days. I'm also buying into new coins that are not out on exchanges yet, of course, where you have high risk but also high rewards if they're going to be successful. Everywhere, no financial advice, guys. I'm just sharing everything that I'm doing with you. So welcome on board. Make sure to be subscribed. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. And very, very important, guys, join all my socials that you find here: TikTok, X, Telegram, Instagram, and so on, because I'm sharing sometimes trade signals and the new giveaways also on other channels as well. That's why always make sure to keep on track with what is going on here. And that's why follow me in my social medias that you find here in the video description. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.